With our new high-end automobiles, we are undoubtedly getting closer. The luxury cars of 2022 had a lot of amazing features, but they were also very expensive. Each vehicle on this list is at least $100,000 more expensive than the typical home. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, we'll show you the top 10 most expensive luxury vehicles of 2022. Let's now get going. Number 10. Pagani Huayra BC Roadster, $3.5 million. 10th on this list is the Pagani Huayra BC Roadster. It is not just amazing, but also stunning. Even before you put your foot on the accelerator, its great looks almost make up for its high price. Since it first came out on the market in 2011, the price of the Pagani Huayra BC Roadster has gone up by more than 3 times. The carbon titanium HP62 material, which is much lighter than conventional carbon fiber, is part of what gives this car its absurdly high speed. The cool, sophisticated colors featured in each BC Roadster are apparently the direct work of company founder and chief designer Horacio Pagani. What is its name? The initials BC stand for Benny Caiola, a friend of Horacio Pagani and the first owner of a Zonda in the year 2000. Number 9. Lamborghini Cyan, $3.6 million. The 9th is the Lamborghini Cyan. In Bolognese lingo, Lamborghini Cyan translates to Lamborghini Light Bulb, which should give you a rough idea of what this supercar is capable of. It's the most expensive Lamborghini ever produced, in addition to being the most potent. Only 63 people purchased this limited edition hybrid supercar, which has outlandish features to match. With every color imaginable to cover its carbon fiber exterior and interior, the Cyan was created to be the most personalized Lamborghini ever purchased. Additionally, it effortlessly accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2.8 seconds and has a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Number 8. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, $5.7 million. Then comes the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus by Bugatti, which is nearly twice as expensive as the Jesko and the Murray T50, and offers speed and power in addition to the distinctive elegance of a Bugatti. Each car contains decades of skilled craftsmanship and years of automotive ingenuity under the hood. Bugatti wants you to be aware of and feel that every time you see one. It has futuristic flowing contours on its sleek exteriors, and its quad turbocharged 8-liter W16 powertrain produces a mind-bending 1,577 horsepower. This car broke the 300 mph speed barrier for the first time years ago, and like the most expensive car in the world, it has a claim to fame that prevents its worth from declining. From 0 to 60 miles per hour, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus accelerates in 2.4 seconds. It has a top speed of just over 300 miles per hour, and as an added bonus, it has a simple entertainment system that works with both Apple and Android devices. Number 7. Bugatti Devo, $6 million. It was followed by the Devo, a car that closely imitates Bugatti Chiron and has a number of elements in common with it because of how well received it was. The Devo, on the other hand, looks more exotic and is considerably more expensive. There will only be 40 Devos made and sold. Each has been spoken for previously. It now has a new dorsal fin, a frame that is much lighter to help it move faster, and better suspension. The Devo's 8-liter W16 engine has 4 turbochargers inside. Because of this, the Devo has 1,500 horsepower and can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.4 seconds. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. Number 6. Bugatti Centodici, $9 million. The 6th is the Bugatti Centodici. Only 10 of Bugatti's 2022 Centodici's opulent hypercars will be sold, making it even more unique. Even though they are expensive, Cristiano Ronaldo, a football player, is one of the people who has already bought one and is happy with it. Bugatti was already known for its unique bodywork and luxurious comfort features, so the company set out to give the Centodici every possible feature to make it stand out and feel luxurious. It may not be the fastest Bugatti on the road right now, but its quad-turbo W16 gives it the fastest acceleration. This vehicle will make up for it by offering plenty of luxury and performance. The claimed 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration time for Bugatti is 2.4 seconds. The Centodici's top speed will be 236 miles per hour. Far slower than the Chiron's, but this hypercar more than makes up for it with its very contemporary appearance. Number 5. RollsRoyce Boattail, $13 million. Next is the RollsRoyce Boattail, which was first made because someone asked for it, not because it was needed for something specific. It is a vehicle that has won the hearts of automotive enthusiasts of all stripes all over the world. It was formerly the priciest car in the world. This car's mix of the old and the new, modern luxury with a dash of flair from the 1920s and 1930s, is one of its best features. We're talking about a mix of the famous Rolls-Royce profile and modernity and technology in the design. Despite what we know about it, its owner is a mystery. This one-off vehicle is extremely unique. Number 4. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, $17.6 million. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is the fourth. The Zonda was the first car out of the Pagani Automobili auto house. Years ago, production should have ceased in favor of the Huayra. Instead, Pagani has released a slew of Zonda special editions. Unfortunately, the most costly car you can't buy is the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. This particular distinctive form of the Zonda was only ever produced in 3 cars. One of these cars last sold for $17.6 million. Number 3. Bugatti Voiture Noir, $18.7 million. We are now down to the third most expensive luxury car. It is the Bugatti Voiture Noir. When releasing their newest supercar in 2019, Bugatti made a smart branding choice. The French producer chose Voiture Noir as the name for their product, rather than a flamboyant introduction or one that was meant to thrill, the dark vehicle. Its top speed is 260 miles per hour, and an automaker known for decades of producing the world's most powerful vehicles meticulously crafted its total performance. Number 2. RollsRoyce Boattail, $28 million. Second is the RollsRoyce Boattail. It is evidence that both quantity and excellence can coexist without competing with one another. This incredibly rare automobile was the first of 3 coach-built models that were created. This one is especially cool because it has parts from the original 1932 Boattail and parts from a J-Class yacht. The RollsRoyce Boattail made its public debut in late 2021 at the Concorso di Eleganza Villa d'Este in Italy. It has a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine with 563 horsepower. It is undoubtedly the priciest new car in the world as of 2022. Number 1. 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO, $70 million. Our most expensive luxury car is the 1963 Ferrari 250 GTO. Ferrari won the Tour de France automobile in 1964 with the 250 GTO, making it 9 years in a row that they have done so. Only 36 of these vehicles were built between 1962 and 1963. The most expensive Ferrari in the world, with a staggering price tag of $70 million, won both the Le Mans and the Tour de France. It is the Picasso of the automotive world, according to some, and the holy grail of Ferraris according to others. The American fashion designer Ralph Lauren, the Pink Floyd musician Nick Mason, and John A. Shirley, the former CEO and president of Microsoft, are among the people who now own the most expensive car ever. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos, and if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.